Did you know that India was once a hub of maritime trade routes? Let's take a journey back in time to an era when the Indian subcontinent was a bustling centre of oceanic commerce. The ancient Indians were not just land-bound traders, but also expert mariners, establishing trade routes that stretched from Rome to Southeast Asia and even to the far reaches of China. In the heart of this maritime network was the ancient port city of Lothal, a jewel of the Indus Valley civilization. Lothal is home to one of the world's earliest known docks, a testament to the advanced naval architecture of the time. Picture this: fleets of merchant ships laden with precious goods sailing out of Lothal's harbour, destined for distant shores. This was India's maritime might, a legacy of seafaring prowess that predates many other civilizations. So, the next time you think of maritime history, remember that India was sailing the seas long before many other nations. Where do you suppose the world's first university was established? Quite fascinatingly, it was in the vibrant land of India. Around 700 years before Christ, Takshashila University emerged as a beacon of knowledge and wisdom. This esteemed institution welcomed scholars from far and wide, cultivating an environment of intellectual curiosity and exploration. A veritable cornucopia of subjects were taught within its ancient halls. Imagine, if you will, students immersed in philosophical debates or charting the heavens in their astronomy classes. Others might have been engrossed in the complexities of commerce or delving into the nuances of politics. This was a place where minds were nurtured and intellects were sharpened. Takshashila was more than a university. It was a testament to the human thirst for knowledge and understanding, a thirst that India quenched for countless eager learners. Indeed, India's rich educational heritage spans back thousands of years, starting with the world's first university. Ever wondered where the concept of zero originated? It's a fascinating journey back in time to ancient India. This was a civilization that not only gave birth to the idea of nothing, represented by the numeral zero, but also the decimal system that forms the backbone of mathematics and computing today. Let's delve into the brilliance of Aryabhata, a revered mathematician and astronomer from the 5th century. It was his ingenuity that introduced the concept of zero to the world. His groundbreaking work, the Aryabhatiya, is a testament to India's mathematical prowess. But the story doesn't end there. The decimal system, a cornerstone of our numeric understanding, also has its roots deep within ancient Indian soil. This system, which revolutionized mathematics, was a product of the Indian subcontinent. So the next time you look at a mathematical equation or count change in your pocket, remember the ancient scholars of India. Without India's ancient mathematicians, modern mathematics as we know it might not exist. Are you a fan of chai tea? Do you know where it originated? Let's journey to India, where the aromatic and invigorating chai has been a staple for thousands of years. But the chai you know today is a relatively recent concoction. The original version of this beloved beverage was a herbal brew, devoid of any tea leaves, consumed for its medicinal properties. In the 19th century, the British, eager to break China's monopoly on tea, introduced the tea plant to India. This led to a shift in the traditional chai recipe, incorporating the newly available tea leaves into the mix. Along with the tea leaves, milk and sugar were added, transforming this medicinal drink into the sweet and spicy chai we know and love today. This blend of history, culture and commerce gave birth to a beverage that is now synonymous with Indian hospitality. So next time you enjoy a cup of chai, remember its long and complex history. Did you know that a popular board game has its roots in ancient India? It's true, the game of snakes and ladders, a staple of childhood amusement, was originally known as Moksha Patamu, in its birthplace of ancient India. This seemingly innocent game was not merely an entertainment tool, but was ingeniously crafted to serve as a moral lesson about karma for children. The ladders represented virtues such as kindness, faith and humility, each acting as a shortcut to success. The snakes, on the other hand, were symbols of vices like anger, theft and murder, leading to a downfall. The game, then, is a reflection of life and its vicissitudes, a tangible representation of the journey from ignorance to enlightenment, underscored by the concept of karma. So the next time you play Snakes and Ladders, remember that you're participating in a tradition that goes back centuries. You're not just moving tokens on a board, but traversing the ancient paths of virtue and vice laid out by a civilization millennia ago.